Video shift ka a na-atest ya ka ịfụ ihe a na-agwa gị proper gauge na proper dust na iwere ihe wee tajoni ya. Once again, this one is another one. And I want to show the people on how this thing is gauged. This cracked crankcase, it got spoiled, but now the thing has been repaired and revived. Well, test your own. Just, I want to show them how the thing works, that it is not by force. That's why. But if you should fix gear inside the engine, this is the way it will be before the thing can properly work. Yeah? The thing is not a matter of play. Yeah? Because anyhow it is, evidence must be shown. For my shake, but get here. Check where my shake go to. But it turn wire. Okay, the thing will be free if you turn it, but it will shake, telling you that the thing has gotten it the proper gauge. So, but you can see that the thing is not a matter of play, but evidence has been shown. You see? So my people, the car will go complete now.